guys, today we're going to be going up on our land, doing a little squirrel hunting. And first we got to check if our guns are lined in. And we're gonna shoot. Yeah, we're gonna shoot our guns a little and we'll go do some squirrel hunting. Hope we kill some stuff.
If so, we'll show you some skinning and some cooking. We're gonna do some smoked squirrel on the pellet grill.
Yeah, buddy.
Sound good? What's y'all's names?
My name's Josiah and this is Jed.
We're gonna go slay some squirrels, ain't we?
Oh yeah.
All right. Lock that down. Okay, make sure it's all the way down. Good. All right. And you know where your safety is. You have to click it off before you shoot.
Can we fix the targets? Like, I guess I'll just go for the blue right there.
All right. Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to shoot.
Missed.
All right, eject that. Go put your safety on after you close it back. Close it back. There you go. Perfect.
Could I go and get the things fixed?
Not yet. No, they're fine right there.
How do you get your shell out?
It came out.
Did it?
Yep.
Oh.
It already took it. Go ahead and put that one in.
How does it come out?
It's got a little catcher on there. Whenever you pull it out, it pulls it and then it flings it, ejects it. All right.
Let's try to get it. Still missed.
Again.
I keep shooting right. Oh yeah, it does shoot it out.
Safety on.
Sorry.
Always safety on before
Opening it.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
And make sure mine's up there. There you
go. Just gonna go ahead and flip that off.
Don't put the finger on the trigger until you're on your target.
Oh, smoked it.
You nailed that one.
Oh yeah.
Good shot. All right. And Josiah, is your safety on?
Yes.
All right, perfect. Go ahead and open up your bolt all the way. All right, leave it like that.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep, that's good. Just want to make sure it's clear. You can close it back.
All right.
Perfect. Keep
Don't
going
worry.
towards the ground.
Righty.
All right.
Come on, Jed.
Let's head up the hill and see if we can get on a squirrel before
Oh yeah.
snow sets in.
Oh,
Go, Jed.
snowed him out.
We made it to the top of the mountain up here to the plot. So you can be able to climb with that on your back, full of corn. Here's the camera right over there. We're gonna throw some corn out, see what deer are still in the area, and give them some food after this snow. So we're gonna throw that out, and then we're going to go down here and climb up in the ladder stand and see if we can see some squirrels.
Yeah.
We'll catch you in the ladder stand.
My dad threw the corn out. I'm the squirrel sort shelter right now. I got the bullets in my pocket. Got my gun with me. We got the guns loaded now, and we're in the stand.
So we're gonna get quiet, sit still, and we'll see if a squirrel come out of here. See if I can get on it. So, pan you around here and let you look, see what it looks like up here where we're at. The log right there, that's what the food plot is. We're on the squirrel/coyote mission. We've been seeing a lot of coyotes up here too. So, and they've been coming out in the daylight. So if one of them shows up, we're popping in too.
I'll shoot it.
We'll sit in here.
Okay.
Off the world.
We thought we saw a squirrel, but it was just birds. We weren't so sure. Checked it right away. And yeah,
These goons won't quit laughing long enough for a squirrel to come out.
yeah, Chad and me will not quit laughing because we keep jokes. And we have not seen anything yet.
Make it start to rain.
Yeah. You want to give up? It's time to rain. Yeah.
Never give up.
Never. Now say it, guys. We don't want the camera to get wet. It's no one's up in there. Whoa. Right now it's on 360 mode. He just knocked around to work this thing. Yeah, that's actually very true. You want to look at this guy? Look. Hey, look at. Hey, make sure to like and subscribe. See your feet. All of the stuff was it. Like and subscribe on my birthday. I'm gonna start my own channel. It's gonna be Brick Brothers. Goodbye. I don't know what's wrong with you. Cause you get more shade. I mean, I'm good with it, but yeah, and a bobcat or coyote walks out. We're gonna shoot it. Gonna get into. Oh, and I'm gonna show you something. Here's our other camera hanging off the ledge. And here's the one that makes the YouTube video. Oh yeah, and guys, like if you wanna do smoked squirrel and subscribe if you wanna do chicken nuggets. I mean squirrel nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
Here it comes subscribing if we're on chicken nuggets.
Yeah, sorry about that. Right. I got my gun right here. Yeah, and get my and stuff. All little neighbors down there screaming. Yeah, this is very true.
Right there.
Yeah.
Chuckles.
Chuckles.
Yeah.
Charles.
Not Charles. Chuckles.
Chuckles. Chuckles. Chuckles. Alright, see y'all.
This man is crazy.
So what you say, Jen?
We might have to settle for chicken nuggets. It's raining.
Yeah, for
it's
real.
cold.
I feel like
It has started raining, and
and that's my brother.
help.
Look at him. Look at that beautiful man over there.
You're blind. And this is why. I'm getting dizzy. Quick. Alright, I'm revoking your cameraman license.
Why? We're not doing nothing.
Recording. He's going crazy. Dude, we're trying to do it. Sorry guys, leave in the comments if he's being crazy or not.
This bird's starting to look a lot like a corner hen over here.
Jed, be quiet.
It's already raining. They're not gonna notice.
Be quiet.
Look, his gutter's got rain on it. Look at all that rain.
Alright, we're done recording because
No.
it's been...